Welcome to my channel with love. I'd like to tell you my advent story which began with this calendar. It's a huge box from Picmondo with 25 little boxes inside, each hiding a different diamond painting related to accessory or kit for every day. I showcased it here on my channel both in a long unboxing video and in short form shorts as well. Things started to get strange when comments like these and similar ones began appearing under my videos. Scam, lies, mine was trash, and so on. Honestly, I was very surprised because although this calendar cost almost $200, I absolutely wouldn't call its contents cheap or worthless. On the contrary, it was packed with tons of amazing items. So I decided to look into it, and it didn't take much research at all. The internet is flooded with cheap copies. By cheap, I mean advent calendars priced between $15 and $40. The real problem wasn't just that they copied the shape, colors, and layout of the calendar, but that they were literally selling them using photos stolen from Picmondo. Here you can see one on AliExpress, and right next to it the same image from Picmondo's official website, where the original calendar featured by me and other creators could actually be purchased. Just look at this, it's downright disgusting. Of course, one could say, come on, if a calendar costs $200, isn't it suspicious that it's $20 somewhere else? Yes, that's true. But because of the misleading photos, I believe many people didn't even check the links I posted. Instead, after a quick research, they placed an order, and then came the disappointment. So I also ordered the $20 one from AliExpress, thinking to myself, honestly, what can you expect for $20? But even I wasn't prepared for this. Here it is. No joke, this one is 3 times smaller than the original. Speaking of the original, here on the right I briefly show what the original Picmondo Advent Calendar included for $200. You can actually find this video among my shorts as well, and also as a long form video on my channel. Just take a look. Tons of small diamond painting kits, about a dozen special diamonds, fairy dust, ABs, metallic, crystal, 3 super cute canvases, and lots of other diamond painting accessories. To be honest, if Picmondo hadn't sent it to me for review, I probably wouldn't have been able to afford this set financially, and that's exactly why I ordered this cheap copy. First of all, I was extremely curious why people were so angry, but now I understand the disappointment because this is what they saw in my videos, and instead they ordered this or something very similar. Yes, you are saying it right. We are starting off with a crushed and torn box. Even if I don't count the size difference, which let's agree is downright ridiculous, this set is poor quality right from the start. Thin, flimsy cardboard and paper. Of course, it got crashed during shipping. Please brace yourself because after opening the first box, I couldn't decide whether to cry or laugh. No, I can only laugh. Yes, you are seeing it right. One single badly wrinkly diamond painting canvas, a 15 by 15, maybe, Christmas tree of terrible quality. Even the poor tree is ugly. Sadly, I'm so sorry to say that. A kind lady wrote to me saying she received a similar set. I won't waste your time with this, so I'll speed up the unboxing. It was hard for me to believe it too, so I thought see it with your own eyes. After canvas, every box contained 1, 2, at most 3 small bags of diamonds. Along the way, there was a flimsy green tray. Only the box for day 7 included a pen, and somewhere around the middle was the wax. In total, there were 4 of these miserable little Christmas tree kits with the diamonds all mixed up. everything was crumpled. But it's worth waiting for day 24. That's where the real gift appears. In the meantime, I'm immediately open the refund request with AliExpress. I'm waiting for their response. In my opinion, these four tiny keys together aren't worth even $3. I say this from my experience. I've been a regular AliExpress shopper for 2 years, but I've never had an experience like this. And here we are at day 24. Madness. A green tray. Sorry, I couldn't resist. Okay, jokes aside, I truly feel sorry for anyone who ordered and received a set like this. This is a real disappointment. Not only because the manufacturer clearly had no idea what Advent or an Advent calendar is, but judging by the layout, they also seem to have no connection to diamond painting at all. Please, for the future, if you see a product, always check the attached link or ask for a link if one isn't shown. As for me, I'll be much more careful from now on to make sure it's always included. I've had a few bad experiences myself, but never on this level. That said, you can buy some really cool things on AliExpress at great prices. You just need to know how. If there's interest, I can also make a long video about what to look out for before ordering from there. When it comes to other no-name companies, I usually ask ChatGPT how safe it is to order from them. It may be the Pigment Advent calendar that fell victim to copying this time, but I've also seen cheap versions of products from other well-known brands. So, from the bottom of my heart, I hope that even if you were disappointed during the Advent season, your Christmas will still be happy and peaceful. That's what I wish for you. Thank you very much for your attention. I was Brigi. Have a wonderful day. Bye.